Yeah, good day guys, this is Chibuzo Agowa, and once again you're welcome to Blogging for Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll simply be showing you how to set buy orders in Binance, and we shall be using the sports trading in this very video. Actually this is the cryptocurrency segment of our channel in case you're visiting this channel for the first time. What we actually do here is that we actually bring tutorials on how to carry out some certain things that are technology related. So if you want to be part of this channel, you can simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release another similar videos just like this. So once you've done that, automatically you're now family. So why I'm actually putting up this video is because like we all know, we are in the bear market. This is November 2022, and people that are actually, so many people are actually crying because the cryptocurrency, as you can see, most coins are actually on the red side. Yes, Bitcoin is currently trading on $15,000, $15,700. Yes, that's actually the current price of Bitcoin at the moment. And like we all know, as of last year 2021, Bitcoin actually traded $60,000. So you can see how the decline, the rate at which it has actually fallen. So we are in the bear market, and this is actually the best time to buy because many people believe that we are actually heading to the bottom. Like I said, this is November 2022, and people actually saying that we are just few, we actually headed to the bottom, as in we are close to the bottom. That's what I actually meant. So this is the actual time to buy. The reason why I'm putting up this video showing you how to actually set buy orders is because most people are actually confused and they don't know how to buy because they feel that you can only buy cryptocurrency or any coin when as in they feel the rush. So when trying to buy, their target is not actually met. Without them actually having the knowledge that you've actually said buy orders, you go to bed and sleep, and once a coin actually dips to that further the entry point that you placed, automatically you purchase that amount of cryptocurrency that you actually set for you to buy. I actually have some amount of money, and this is Binance. Like you all know, this is my Binance wallet. I actually have some amount of money in my Binance wallet, and I want to buy XRP. Yes, XRP. Let's what you actually do, this is how you, once you log in, this is how it will be displayed. Your Binance wallet will actually show like this. So if you want to trade spots, if you see the below, just go to the belows of the screen. You see the middle icon that says trades. You actually tap on trade, and you see my current trade. As I said, I want to buy XRP. But in case you're just signing up for a Binance wallet for the first time, all you have to do is to go to your wallet, and you can actually access your wallet by still the same, looking at the same icon. You know, we have five icons below. The one at the extreme right, which is your wallet, you tap on your wallet, and it will display. You now move to sports. It will display lots of cryptocurrencies that are here. So actually, if you are looking for any coin, all you have to do is to type the search icon, which is the lens, and type the coin that you're actually looking for, be it let's say BTC, ETH, or whatsoever. But if you've been trading for a while, you notice that the coins, the cryptocurrency that you've been trading, will actually appear at the top, which means you bought something from them. So like I said, I want to buy XRP. I'll type on SRP, and it will open. So it will show you something like this. So all you have to do, you see spot trade. If you look at the screen perfectly, you see it says spot trade. If you actually want to trade in SRP USDT, if you have, that means you have USDT, fine. You can also trade SRP BUSD, which is Binance USD, and you can also trade on SRP BTC. So in this case, I have USDT. So all I have to do is to tap on SRP USDT trade, and it will now show you to bring you to this platform where I can actually place your entry point. So like I said, we're actually heading to the bottom, which most people actually predicted. It's not a financial advice. You can choose to buy and you can choose not to buy. But in this case, I want to like set an entry point, and I need some amount of SRP to top to the bag that I have. So I want to set an entry point of 30 cents will be okay for me. The SRP is actually trading at 36 cents. So I want to set an entry point of 30 cents. So as you can see, I've altered it to 30 cents, and I need let's say 1,000 XRP to add to my bag, which would now cost me 300 USDT or $300, as the case may be. So all I have to do, once I've set the point and I'm okay with it, so you now tap on buy XRP. Automatically you can see the trade. I've opened the trade. If you see below, let me scroll up for you to see XRP USDT. I need 1000 XRP when it actually falls to 30 cents. Like I said, at the moment XRP is trading, currently trading at 36 cents, as you can see. So I believe it will fall to 30 cents. I want to get to that extent my entry point will be reached, so you can see how easy it is for you to actually set buy orders. And the same goes for sell orders. You can also use this point to sell your coins, set an entry point for it to sell, and it works the same way. So you see how easy it is for you to actually set buy orders on Binance. And in case if you want to join the Binance platform, become a Binancean, in the description of this video I actually place my referral link, whereby once you use it and sign up for Binance, automatically you will get some referral points and also myself. So with that, we've come to the end of this video, and like I said from the start, this is a cryptocurrency segment in Blogging for Tech YouTube channel. So if you find this video useful enough, kindly give it a thumbs up, because it will make the YouTube algorithm to actually push this video for people like you that wants to learn how to carry out the steps to see and learn. And in case you're still confused in any segment or section, kindly go to the comment section below and ask your questions, and I will attend or answer you speedily. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button in case you've not done that. And like I would normally say, Chibuza Agua remains my name. I'm Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So anticipate for our next video. So bye bye for now.